dogs didn't follow me.
Good. Did they come?
No.
Oh. Whew. It was a cold night. We stayed warm in our tent and in our bags, but it got down, not sure how low. Our water didn't freeze, right?
Nope.
So it didn't get down to freezing, but definitely got down low. And it's still kind of cold. I still got my gloves on. You got your gloves on? Yep, it's cold. And we hope to go a little farther today, but we'll see. We don't know. This has been totally different hiking for us. Ooh, we see a lot of that. It's like the coyotes want to say they're here on the trail with us. Or that could have been a fox. Or a dog, who knows. Okay, here's another really nice campsite at 40.5. If you're looking at the miles on the Colorado Trail. And it has room for several tents. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Has a nice fire ring, good logs to sit on, which you would think would be easy to find in a forest, but it's not, huh, babe? When you're no, huh?
Not like that.
No, when you're looking, it's like, oh, you got to sit with a like this, like knobs and things, and it's too low to sit on. Yeah, there's plenty more, and I can see that there's several other ones behind it. This is a nice big spot. Oh. And they have nice trees to hang your food from too. It's not far from the creek too. It's not even a tenth, 2 tenths. Okay. Anyway, just thought I would put that in there so if someone's watching that wants to have a nice spot. The place we stayed was nice, but the owner of the dogs have a gun and he shot it off this morning, like, get off my property. Or he was shooting at an animal. We don't know which, but either way, we were ready. We were not on his property, but we were very close. Very close.
I'm eating a reconstituted refried bean with cheese and
Fritos.
corn chip. Mm-hmm. No, yeah, corn chips inside. It's very good.
It's delicious. Oh, it sounds good. You don't know how good this is. It tastes like the best restaurant in the wide world. You're just like, it's delicious.
About bean burritos.
If we just had salsa, we forgot the salsa.
Rolling Rock Trail in Lost Creel Wilderness.
We need permit to go through.
So I don't know.
So we're trying to do a permit, right?
Yeah, but we don't know where we're coming out or when. So
yeah, we don't have.
We figured it's gonna be a day.
Yeah, we'll be out in a day. They're beautiful. They're all the way that way and that way. So look at this. They keep going. It's a big aspen grove. But the trail is rocky. First, we've had rocks on and off, like where they get in your way and stuff, for a couple miles. But this is like almost like, I don't know, almost like Maine, except for Maine doesn't have these aspens that I've seen. How was your hike so far today?
Oh, it was nice. It was good. It's like an old road, so it had hard parts, but we're pretty high right now.
We're 9,000 feet.
Yeah, over 9, so everything's slow and steady.
Take your pack off and you feel so light. This water looks awesome. We passed about 4 streams. They all had water we could have collected water from. The last one was kind of muddy, but this is nice. This is what we were hoping for. We didn't want to carry extra water, and we didn't, and we gambled, and it was good. That's what you'd want. Colorado Rocky ice cold water. Oops, there it is. It's hailing.
The sun's out now.
It's hailing on us. They're tiny little. You can see it right here. Hail. Nice. Tiny little hail.
That's all we get. I'm happy.
But
It might have been we got the tent the other day, maybe.
It is. I thought it was hail when it was dropping. Because it was just gently dropping and then sliding off. So that's not like rain. Woo! Okay, we're in our tent. And Roger is sending a message via InReach, right?
Yep.
And just letting people know we're okay. It is snowing. It hailed on us earlier because it's just a little hail. Came down harder a little while ago, all at once. Then it was done. But I think we might be getting hail. But we have
no thunder and lightning. That's
no
good.
thunder and lightning. We're thankful. And the sky is, look, it's almost sunny. That's how it was earlier when it was doing that. But
That's more rain right there.
yeah, now it's kind of haily. I think I might have to close this vestibule, darn it. I was hoping I could watch our food, which is right there hanging, if you see. That's a really good bear hang. It's a really good one. It's a PCT hang. We've been lucky. No bears, no nothing has been coming after us, except for those dogs that were adorable. But I am getting wet, so I got to close this. We'll talk in a minute. All right. Hey, everybody. We're in the tent. It just started hailing.
Lightly. And it's already
Lightly.
done.
It already melted. It's nothing big.
So we're at 10,600 feet. So that's why it was like almost a clear sky, and we still got a little bit of that light hail. Soft. It was really soft.
It's really pretty. We were hoping to have snow all over.
Not really.
Not really.
So we got here, and it was chilly.
It was very cold. We've been cold all day.
But we got in the tent, and we're nice and snuggly.
Mm-hmm. We didn't do very many miles. It was a hard day. We only did
last
7.5 or
last
something, or 8.
Yeah. This last climb was pretty hard.
We struggled with that. We couldn't breathe.
made it to the top. We were going to plan on going down another 2 miles, but we decided to stop.
Too tired.
And what worked out well is that we got everything set up before the hail came.
Mm-hmm. So, can't believe that. That's like such a short day, but when you can't walk and can't breathe, you don't have a choice.
Yeah, 10,000 feet is a little bit hard to breathe.
10,000 feet is a little bit cray-cray.
Because we didn't come right down right away. So.
No.
So tomorrow we will go down lower, right? Goes down lower, right?
We go down, like, I don't remember how much. Not a lot, 500 feet.
So hopefully we can
and go back up to 1,100 feet.
So hopefully we can make up the miles we didn't quite do today.
Hopefully, but
it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter to us.
We got a set date. We're going to get off, try to get off on the 13th. So we hope to make it to Breckenridge, but if we don't, who cares?
Yeah, we're cool with it. We just want to experience it.
If the weather turns bad, then for sure we'll get off. But right now it's been good.
Yeah, and we've met quite a few, not a few, but several people, and they were very pleasant. The dogs were so cute. And then our friend that we met today that had a dog too, she had a dog named
Kate and
Huck.
Yeah.
And they were so cute.
She took our trash out. That was nice.
She took our trash, and we were, I mean, it could have been 5 ounces maybe, the most.
Doesn't matter. She still took it.
She took it, and we were just like, thank you. We should have asked for toilet paper.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Anyway, thought we'd check in.
All right, everybody's going to sleep here.
We're going to bed. Good night.
Well, we spent a really cold evening. Temperatures were well in the low 20s, and we decided from that point that we were just going to go ahead and finish our hiking at this time and head back down to the trailhead to get picked up to go back into town. We only had a few days more available, but with the cold and late in the year, we decided it was best to go ahead and get off trail.
It's really cold this morning. We put on every bit of our clothing, and I couldn't get warm at all. Whew. It was not fun. So it's our first day at 10,000, so we're gonna just go to segment 4, 50 miles. Oh, look at that. Have you ever seen so much lichen? It must be the perfect atmosphere for it. 10,000 feet. There's our tent. She's still there. Wow, she's in the shadow. You can't see her on the camera. No, you just can't see her on camera.
It's weird. Don't even see her at all on the camera.
Look at the shadow it's hiding. Hi.
She moved.
She's gone.